Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi finally confirms Lobola yakhe, you guys, and posts this cute picture of herself saying a promise kept. Listen, meaning that the guy kept to his word. The guy promised that he's gonna do right by her, and he did right by her. You know what, guys? There's a lot of things that are being said about the guy, and that's that. But we should still acknowledge, Pella, this guy apparently has a baby mama. Why hasn't he made a wife out of the baby mama? Do you understand what I'm saying? So I get where Vuyokazi is coming from when she's like a promise kept. Plus, number these days, guys, able abafana the boys, the way they don't want to marry women these days, asazi ukuthi wenzakalani, because hey, abafana the boys don't marry, they'll just impregnate you and leave you like that. Anyway, you guys are weird as he posted this video, which I kind of found funny a little bit. But listen to this video and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
I thought that God had given up on me. Yeah. But he brought me somebody. He is an amazing man. He is supportive. He doesn't criticize me. He walks with me. And he loves me through all of it. You understand what I'm saying? I didn't have that, and I do now.
So guys, if you know the movie Married, what's that movie called? Married at something, Married in Tonton. That girl, so Vuyokazi posted this clip and I kind of laughed because I'm like, hey, the way we like fathering God in our decisions, because this girl's like, I thought God had given up on me. Hey, but that time God is probably seated in heaven folding his arms and he's like, so anyway, yeah, I get the message about it, that she's saying that, you know what, that she found a good man. I was looking as she threw the pictures, you guys, that the guy also posted, right? He posted and then he quoted a scripture, the Proverbs 31 woman, he who finds a wife finds a good thing, and when I saw the other pictures, Vuyokazi looked genuinely happy, you guys. Genuinely happy, you guys. I don't wanna lie. Even the caption that she put on her video about she woke up with joy, that just goes to show that sometimes, guys, like guys, like it's not gonna help, because you know what's the funny thing? On Vuyokazi's side, she held into a man and wanted a man to do things that he didn't want to do, right? And she found Olani. Olani did that within a matter of, I don't know. But the funny thing is that there might be maybe the baby mamas, or, there's rumors around the baby mama and Olani's what. The same thing could be said that he has not married them or made or did things this quick for them as he did for Vuyokazi. So it just goes to show sometimes, guys, it's just that sometimes you just need to meet umaqondane wakho. When you meet umaqondane wakho, you won't be saying 1 year is too long to move on. You won't be saying 6 months is too long to. You will want to settle down, because this is the type of person you wanna build with. But anyway, Vuyokazi, yeah, basically Vuyokazi confirms everything, you guys, and that settles it. I know a lot of Vuyokazi's fans are like, yeah, we're gonna wait till she posts all of that, and there it is, you guys. But anyway, let us congratulate her. This is her time of celebrating, and as the guy quoted a scripture, there is also a scripture in the same Bible that he quoted from that says, when people are celebrating, let's celebrate with them. When they are crying, let's cry with them. And at this point, Vuyokazi is celebrating. So hala lakel. I know she's gonna make a good wife, because I know already she was playing wife vibes them. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.